Jamaica-Cuba Eye Care program was interrupted due to COVID and officially restarted in August 2023. And since that time, I am pleased to report that the program conducted some 21,822 case consultation, which includes preoperative cases, retina consultation, general consultations, and post-operation case review. Of the schedule, 2,936 cases for operation, a total of 1,847 were completed, 1,192 cataract, 655 pterygium, yeah, let me pronounce that properly, pterygium, 655, and some 773 cases have been rescheduled during the period. Approximately 1,246 diabetic retinopathy laser treatment were completed. That's 1,246, 852 at KPH, and that's a comment worth making that we also have a KPH location, and 394 here at St. Joseph's Hospital. So the relationship spans between St. Joseph's and here, which was part of the conversation we had in terms of the new arrangement. The program has also administered some 383 anterior segment laser treatment for patients post-cataract surgery, 308, and pre-surgery for glaucoma, some 75. Total number of operations completed, 3,476. That's big during the course of September to date. 3,476. And I say September meaning last year, September. So it's 1 year. It's a lot of surgeries if you calculate that on a daily basis. And all the screening that goes with that, which is a lot more than the surgeries. And I really want to commend the team on that.